All right, so about 2 years ago, I bought a piece of property in Lakeview, or I'm sorry, in Lake City, South Carolina, about 2 acres. And on those 2 acres, there was an abandoned tractor trailer, like the type that you see coming down the highway. And inside there, he had a bunch of binders in there. And I took them because I need these regularly for transporting equipment. But a big issue with some of these were obviously, they're very rusted and in rough condition. And I haven't really been able to use them because some of these are locked up. So this one doesn't seem locked up. Um, these kind of work pretty good, but I'm going to try to find one that's locked up so I can show you how I go about breaking it and then lubing it up so that I can use it on the trailer when we need to move the skid steer or the excavator. So this one's fine too. So that's fine. Okay, this one seems to be pretty locked up here. So here's kind of the process that I do. I've got WD-40 and I also have this white lithium grease, and I'll apply it, both of these, but this grease, I'm gonna make sure to apply a lot of this to all the binders. All right, so we'll start off by just soaking everything in WD-40. Sometimes these, they'll come undone really easy, and sometimes they won't. So I'm gonna just go ahead and hammer it. And I find this is just what I do. I hammer these things. Maybe if you got a torch, applying something like, put some grease, applying heat might be helpful. I don't have any torches or anything like that, so I'm just gotta do it the old-fashioned way, grease and banging the hell out of it. And then I use a screwdriver just to get some leverage on it and to try and turn it. Nope. No, man, that ain't going nowhere, so we're gonna keep hitting it. All right. Perfect. It's just these are here just really tight, man. All right, I'm trying. Didn't hit it hard, just against the floor. See if that does anything. I'm gonna put that there. Let me do my towel trick on this as well. Gloves are just so slippery, man. All right, so my phone overheated and then it started to rain shortly after that. But all right, so it's been like an hour or so, maybe 2 hours, and we're gonna give it another go. But this has been sitting here now, soaking in grease and WD-40 for all that time. Let's just call it 2 hours. And I started thinking, man, what can I use? And I finally remembered I have this plumbing wrench here. So we're gonna give this a shot. And if this fits, it doesn't. All right, and we're just gonna start off with this, and we're gonna try to crank this. We ain't even gonna wait. Let me put it at an angle that's a little bit better. Yeah, so here we go. Guys, if this doesn't do it, I'm probably giving up. Oh yeah, I feel something. I think it's kind of turning. I'm gonna change directions. I'll put this here. We're gonna go here with this. And we're gonna give it, let's see. Something's gonna give. This is max. Wow, something's turning. Well, I don't know I wonder, is it? We are turning something, guys. We'll reverse directions, and we're just gonna keep doing this back and forth till we break this thing. Something's breaking today. Yeah, this is actually, we've actually bent the pin. So this, yeah. So this, I'm gonna say this is done, guys. You can see that's like ridiculous, and it's so much so that it's actually bent now. You can see that is not straight. That's not good. And whatever's going on in there really did a number on this thing. So yeah, I tried to give it the best shot, but it wasn't working for us. So I'm gonna call this one quit, and I'm just gonna toss it. This is gonna be garbage. All right.